Assalamualaikum, my name is Mahmud Nabil bin Hasanuddin. Today, me and my group member are going to present our group project regarding to our subject, which is integrated design project. The product for our project is adjustable jig and fixture. During the cutting process, jig and fixture are needed to guide the path of the machining tool in a precise way to prevent the defect to workpiece. We has bring out an idea to improve the jig and fixture with capability to perform a different angle drilling function. The idea has come out after we analyze the product requirement, which is objectives, design scope, and the problem segment of the product. After the proposed 5 different product design, the next step is we analyze the design by determining the score of the weight scale. From the result, we will choose the best design to proceed to another step. Furthermore, we also compare the product by using the engineering analysis to other design. From the analysis, we get know the weakness and strength which is need to improve. The last step is apply the final design which achieve the target. The design that is chosen to produce GI feature is less cost, improve in efficiency, and longest lifespan.
Good morning to panels and my fellow friends. My name is Eunice and I would like to continue my group presentation by comparing the two best designs from the screening and scoring concept, which is design F and design D. The left-hand side is a design F and the right-hand side is the design D. This slide shows the comparison from features. In short, design F has higher accuracy and production rate compared to design D, and it does not need additional tool and it able to rotate 360 degrees horizontally. The material for jaw piece is same but different for the adjustable angle plate. Design F used low alloy steel but design D used cast iron. Cast iron is more suitable as it has better material performance. Furthermore, the assembly time for the design F is shorter. The longer the assembly time, the higher the assembly cost per unit. Design F is more sustainable compared to Design D. From the sustainability report generated by the SolidWorks, it stated that the Design F has higher percentage of material to be recycled and lower percentage of material ended up in landfill. Furthermore, from the mechanical analysis, Design F has a lower stress and strain but higher factor of safety, which causes it has less opportunity to fracture and more durable. On the other hand, from the cost analysis, it shows that the cost for Design D is slightly lower compared to Design F. The last analysis, which is agronomic analysis, shows that the agronomic of Design D is slightly better than the Design F. This is the result for comparison. Design F is better compared to Design D. Thus, in the later presentation, my team will focus on Design F. The leg of the design F can be improved, such as the agronomic can be improved by the job rotation or rest break to prevent the worker repeating the same movement continuously. Besides, the material for the angle plate can be changed to cast iron to allow the jig and fixture with adjustable angle have a better performance. Lastly, although the cost for design F is slightly higher compared to design D, but it smooths the drilling process by providing additional features and decrease the use of additional tool. That's all from me. Next, my team will continue to present about the detail for design F.
This is our product design, jig and fixture adjustable angle. It have 18 component parts and I will explain our function component in this product. Firstly, we have 3 different base, which is main base, middle base, and rotating base. Function to rotate the base in 360 degree in horizontally. Base design have greater area to provide stability. Next is middle fixture to decrease the friction between the fixture base and rotating base. Other than that is fixture base to support the load of the fixture and workpiece. The next part is fixture to holding device that holds, support and locates the workpiece to do a drilling process. Our design also have jig to guiding the tool and holding the work. The most important part is plate angle. To overcome our problem is function to adjust the angle in 15, 30, 55 and 60 degree. The next component is sliding jaws, strip forming block. Jaws function to clamp the workpiece that can reduce vibration and protect damage dented. Next component is screw thread forming roll, handle and handle cup. The last one we also have connectors, which is bolt nut, screw and hinge. Function to join the part. And last one is cylindrical metal, function to hold the mechanism for a certain angle. Assalamualaikum, this is our video simulation to demonstrate how jig and fixture adjustable angle works. Firstly, jig and fixtures can rotate 360 degrees in horizontally. Next, our product have 4 angles which is 50, 30, 45 and 60 degrees. After decide which angle they want to drill the hole, adjust the fixtures that can up and down to the specified angle. As example, I set the angle at 30 degrees. Then I fix it using cylindrical metal. Its function to lock the fixtures at 30 degrees angle. Now we can see that fixtures already fixed at 30 degrees angle. It shows our product can drill angle hole very accurately. The engineering analysis using simulation static by SolidWorks. There are 3 parts: adjustable angle plate, jaws and handle. From results show maximum stress, strain, displacement and factor of safety. For adjustable angle plate, placing 1200,000 Newton load on the hole, which is machining drilling force, same with the jaws. For handle, 1100 Newton, which is human force added on it. So, from result prove that our 3 parts rigid and solid that can support product and workpiece. Continue to calculation structural analysis. From calculation show all force added on workpiece while using jig and fixture adjustable angle. The answer get is friction force, normal force and moment. Moment need to identify to know the product is over any limit weight or not. Next, this is the result calculation for plate angle. To conclude it, based on the result calculation structural analysis and simulation static shows at which certain area or part have highest force and deformation occur, the part will improve with material selection.
Hi, I'm Putra and now I'll be explaining the process that involves in making our product. So first, the machining process. Machining is a manufacturing term encompassing a broad of technique and technologies. It is a process of removing unwanted material from the workpiece by using a power-driven machine so that the workpiece will shape into the desired shape. Most of the metal components and parts require machining during the manufacturing process. Here are some of the tools that we use. First is milling tools, where it creates non-circular holes or cut unique design out of the material. Next, drilling tools create a round hole parallel to the axis of rotation. Then, turning tools rotate a workpiece on its axis while a cutting tool shapes it to form. And lastly, cutting tools cutting on the workpiece on the X and Y axis using CNC machine. So the next process is welding. Welding is a process by which two pieces of metal can be joined together. It uses high heat to melt parts together and allowing to cool, causing fusion. Here are some advantages for the welding. Good strength with a permanent joint, high load carrying capacity, applicable to many materials, and also leak-proof joining. Next, the non-conventional manufacturing process. It also called as advanced manufacturing process. It's a variety of processes that remove unwanted material by different techniques such as mechanical, thermal, electrical, or chemical, or combination of these energies. In the non-conventional manufacturing process, there are no sharp cutting tools included. The non-conventional manufacturing process is able to cut extremely hard and brittle material. Non-traditional machining processes are employed where traditional machining processes are not feasible, satisfactory, and economical. Next, the laser cut. The laser cut process is commonly used in industry to cut metals. Various types of metals such as mild steel, aluminum plate, and stainless steel are suitable to be cut using laser cutting. Laser cutting can cut accurately and precise dimensions and produce good quality. Laser cutting is mainly a thermal process in which a focused laser beam is used to melt material in a localized area. Thank you.
My name is Nurul Aina Hazira bint Nazaruddin, and now I will continue the presentation by explaining the cost analysis. The function of the cost analysis is to determine the total amount of cost. The first point said that cost analysis includes all the costs, which is bill of material, material cost, labor cost, fixed cost, and total cost. The selling price for our product is RM660.30, which is the cheapest and affordable to buy. Besides, it has great material in it. Then, cost analysis is important to produce a product because it helps the manufacturer to know what the price of the product is. It also shows the quantity and material used. Like, it's shown that there are 6 materials that we use, which is cast iron, mild steel, carbon steel, high tensile steel, die steel, and stainless steel to perform the product. Basically, the product has 19 components and every part is very important and each part has its function. This slide shows the potential material selection for the adjustable angle plate. The potential material that has been chosen is high carbon steel, low alloy steel, medium carbon, stainless steel, and titanium. The final material chosen is low alloy steel because it has highest score among the others. Other than that, low alloy steel has been chosen because it has history in manufacture plate and also has an outstanding material. Next, I will continue the presentation by brief a little bit on sustainability report. The sustainability report is generated by using SolidWorks software. Sustainability is one of the important part in my presentation because it helps the manufacturer to measure, understand, and communicate the economic, environment, social, and governance performance. It shows the sustainability impact caused by the product in daily care. Based on the analysis, there is no energy amount during the usage of jig and fixture. Jig and fixture brings a huge impact to the environment at the end of life, as it is only 22% material able to be recycled and the other 72% material end up in the landfill. Furthermore, the report shows that there is no environmental impact during the usable time of jig and fixture with adjustable angle. This is because during the usable time, it acts as an assistant to produce angle holes. It does not require any energy to.
In conclusion, the final design of jig and fixture has accomplished the purpose of the product. Material that is chosen suit to the capacity which is strong to hold the workpiece. The comparison of the design through the engine analysis show that the design F is being used because it has a lower cost, more accurate, and more sustainable than design D. The calculation for the selling price of the product is being done to make sure the product can sold at the reasonable price. Improvement also can be added, such as change into the other material to make it lighter. That's all for me and my group. Thank you for watching.